We have all heard about dinosaurs, and we saw dinosaurs through the movie Jurassic Park. Do you know who is the creator of Jurassic Park? Yes, it's Steven Spielberg. Steven Spielberg is an American movie director, producer, and writer. Some of the most famous movies of Steven Spielberg are Jaws, Saving Private Ryan, Schindler's List, E.T. the Extraterrestrial, Jurassic Park, and Raiders of the Lost Ark. Steven Spielberg was born in Cincinnati, Ohio, on December 18, 1947. His father, Arnold, was an electrical engineer. His mother, Leah, had been a concert pianist. He has 3 sisters. As a child, Steven began using his family's home movie camera, and he started recording camping trips and other family events. When he was 12 years old, he filmed his own movie. When Steven was 16, he filmed a feature-length science fiction movie called Firelight, which is about an encounter with some aliens. When it was time for college, Steven was not accepted in the University of Southern California due to his poor grades, but he was accepted in California State College at Long Beach. While he was studying, he kept showing on the movie sets of Universal Studios. Soon, he was offered a small unpaid internship at Universal Studios with the editing department. During that time, he wrote and directed a short film called Amblin. The film won several awards, which made Spielberg noticed by the Universal Studios vice president, Sidney Sheinberg. He then offered Spielberg a 7-year directing contract. It made him the youngest director ever to be signed for a long-term deal with a major Hollywood studio. He then dropped out of college to begin professionally directing TV productions with Universal. That's how Spielberg's journey with Hollywood began. Spielberg later returned to California State University, Long Beach, and completed his BA degree in Film and Electronic Arts in 2002. Steven Spielberg first married an actress called Amy Evering and later divorced. Later, he married actress Kate Capshaw, and they had 7 children. Here are some interesting facts about Steven Spielberg. Spielberg didn't accept any payment for his work on Schindler's List, considering the Holocaust. He was rejected twice for directing a film with James Bond early in his career. He cast his dog in several of his movies. His first full-length movie had a profit of just $1. He suggested PG-13 movie rating. He was nominated 15 times and won 2 Oscars, one for Schindler's List and one for Saving Private Ryan.